Hi, coffee ready? Let's code. I'm BarryDev. In this video, I will show you how to configure Git and GitHub on Linux properly using SSH keys. Don't worry about writing down comments, I put everything in the description below. Let's start. First, open your terminal. By the way, if you want your Linux to look this good as mine, check out my other videos linked below. Check if you have Git installed by typing git --version. If you don't have it, install it using the command for your distribution shown on the screen right now. Now let's configure it. Go to github.com and log in. Go to your settings, then find the emails tab. Keep this email address handy. Back in the terminal, we need to set your global user and email. Type git config -- global user.name and your username from GitHub. Then type git config -- global user.email and your email. It's important to email and username need to be the same as on your GitHub page. We'll use SSH keys to log in securely. To generate a key, run this command using your GitHub email. And just press enter to accept defaults. Now start the agent and add your new key. Type this and then this. Let's copy the key. Use the cat command to display it. Select the whole key and copy it with Ctrl, Shift and C. Go back to your GitHub settings, select SSH and GPG keys and click New SSH Key. Give it a title, pass the key and click Add. From now on, everything should work properly. So let's test if it works. Go to any of your repository, click Code, select the SSH tab and copy the link. In the terminal, type git clone and pass the link. Type yes to confirm the connection. Check if your repository cloned properly by typing ls. Then go to that folder by typing cd and name of the folder. I will create a quick test file using nano command. I'm typing nano test.txt, then typing something in, I save it and exit. Now let's push into the internet. Run git add to stage changes, run git commit with a message, and finally git push. As you can see, the file is online. To clean up, I will use git revert to undo the last commit and push it again. And that's it. Your machine is ready for work. If this helped, please subscribe to BarryDev. See you in the next one.